Here's how to check if your HDMI cable is 2.0 or 2.1. Let's start first with the comparison. A 2.0 has a much more bigger look than the 2.1. So the 2.0 is on the left side and 2.0 is on the right side. Now, to check if has a small rectangular label that says HDMI 2.0, then it is a 2.0 cable. Means on the end of the HDMI that you have. Another way to tell is by looking at the specification listed on the packaging or online listing for the product. If it says 2.0, then the HDMI is 2.0. If it says 2.1, then the HDMI is 2.1. A good way to tell if cable is compliant is to check for the certification logos from the HDMI Licensing LLC. So if you see there the HDMI licensing, it means it is a trusted cable of 2.0 or 2.1.